Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy birthday card, pop-up cake birthday card. So first you're going to fold your paper in half, piece of paper in half, like this. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw two lines. Like this. Just like that. And next, you're going to cut on the lines. Like this. And you're going to open your piece of paper, fold this, like that. And you're going to fold it like this. So it's like this. And that's the base of the cake. If you want to do 2 layers, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to draw 2 more lines before you cut. I'm going to fix it. Like this on top. And you cut on the lines like that. Make sure you only cut like this. You don't want to get these 2 layers together. You want to just get this top layer. That's where you want to cut. And after you do that, you're going to get like this. You're going to draw a line like this. And you're going to want to like this. So now it's a layered cake. And then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to lay it out like this, make it flat. Then you're going to draw on it. You can make it any color you want. You can add sprinkles. You can add sauce. You can add whatever. I'm gonna add some giant sprinkles. Then I'm going to color them different colors, rainbow sprinkles. You can do whatever you want, strawberries, anything. Doesn't matter. You can use whatever you want to color. Frosting is done. And the rest, I think I'll color, I guess. But I'll make brown chocolate. Chocolate's pretty good. So you can make it any color you want. You can even just leave it white if you want. It's a lot of coloring. caramel cake, I guess you could say. With some blue frosting. Yeah, pretty strange cake. Just add a little more color to it. There we go. And that's it. You can send it back like how it was. And that's it. Here's the cake, but I need to do some other things. Like under the cake, I'm going to write happy birthday. And top over here, you can draw balloons if you want. And then there's just like one more thing to do. I need another piece of paper to cover the outside of it. So you're going to get another piece of paper, fold it in half. Then you're going to put it in. And you're going to want to like tape it or glue it. I'm going to go tape it. We'll get some tape. And that's it. That's how you make a pop-up, a easy pop-up card. Birthday pop-up cake card. Super easy. Alright, now that I'm done with that, it's all done. You can even draw, say, open on the outside. And here it is. And that's how you make a happy birthday card cake. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.